Hey everyone! Today we're showcasing a stunning set of 3 bundles with closure featuring human hair body wave in lengths 16, 18, and 20 inches, plus a 16-inch closure. This gorgeous ginger 350 color adds a vibrant, natural look that stands out beautifully. The bundles come with a 4x4 HD lace closure that is pre-plucked for a seamless hairline and easy installation. The body wave texture offers soft, flowing waves that add volume and movement to your hairstyle. Each strand is made from high-quality human hair, ensuring durability and a natural feel. Whether you're going for a casual day look or a special occasion style, this set delivers versatility and elegance. Enjoy effortless styling and a flawless finish with this premium hair bundle set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.